We're gonna read a book she likes a lot. Let's look at the front cover. Monkey 2. Open it. Monkey. We're not at that part yet. Monkey sees a crocodile cross the river. Your turn. Turn the page. Turn the page, not the whole page. One page. Can Mama read the... Can Mama read the next page? Then Monkey sees a warthog cross the river. You can press it. Next page. This next page. There you go. What does Monkey do? What does Monkey do? Yeah, that's what Monkey does. Next page. Monkey crosses 2. Yeah. You like that book, don't you? What does Monkey say? What does Monkey say? Eden, what does Monkey say? No, that's not right. Are you done with Monkey 2? All done?